What do you think about society?
I mean, like, when I think about all the people, like, in the world, like, I just think we're, like, all part of this grid, and I don't know, sometimes I feel like I just don't fit in the grid, like, I don't want you guys to think I'm a poser. I don't want you guys to, like, think that I don't understand, like, pain and sadness. Like, I understand, like, I know. I really feel like the shady parts and the deep parts of the world, like, I don't know, I was thinking about the other day, and, like, all these birds were dying, and I just thought that's like a metaphor for society, like, all these birds are dying, and it made me really sad. I mean, the other day, like, my friend Tyler called me, and, he said he was gonna meet me in Yorktown, so I was really bummed about that. But I wrote a poem. Roses are dead, violets are too. I want to go to bed, but like Lauren, I'm a loser too. Anything else?
What do you think about death?
I think death is like a natural part of living. Like, I think it'll be easier than